Hi guys, welcome to the latest episode of our Sunday Stock Market Watchlist series. As you guys know, I'll be diving into the economic calendar, highlighting the key earnings reports for the week, and sharing my top 5 stock picks to keep an eye on. I host these Sunday Stock Talk every single weekend, so do tune in and subscribe to the channel. Also, before we jump into the content, don't forget to join our community through the link provided in the comment section below. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so let's take a look at the major economic events scheduled for this week. Following the significant news from the Fed, we have another key event lined up. On Wednesday at 12:10 p.m., Fed Chair Jerome Powell is scheduled to speak, which will likely garner significant attention from investors and analysts alike. Moving on to Thursday, we have the release of the initial jobless claims data. This report provides crucial insights into the health of the labor market and could influence market sentiment and trading strategies. And finally, on Friday, all eyes will be on the release of the US non-farm payrolls report. This data, which includes information on total employment excluding farm workers, is closely monitored as a key indicator of economic health and could have a substantial impact on market direction and investor confidence. So it's shaping up to be an eventful week with these important economic releases and speeches, particularly with Fed Chair Jerome Powell's remarks and the release of critical employment data towards the end of the week. The first on our radar is SMCI. We are closely monitoring the 986 level. A break to the downside will have us watching 900 puts, whereas for an upside potential, if it breaks above 1105, we'll be eyeing 1150 and 1200 calls. Next, let's discuss Nvidia. A break below 890 signals downside risk, prompting us to keep a close watch on 850 puts. We are not currently considering upside plays as Nvidia appears weak. Next, shifting the focus to Google, we are observing the 152 level closely for a break to the upside. If it breaks with momentum, we'll be eyeing 155 calls. No plans for downside potential at the moment. Google seems strong and we hope it holds its momentum. Moving on to Netflix, we are closely watching the 602 level for potential downside. If Netflix breaks below, we'll be monitoring those 600 puts. We are not currently considering upside plays as it appears weak. Lastly, let's take a look at AMD. If AMD breaks above 183, we'll be monitoring those 185 calls with targets set at 187, 189 and 190. Well, these are the top 5 stocks that we are watching for this week. That's it guys for this week. Remember, always do your research, stay informed and trade responsibly. Thanks for joining us and be sure to check out our community link for more updates. Happy trading everyone.